Hi, this is Rick Rowland of PowerLink Software, and this is a demonstration of a new feature for ad hoc reconciliation. It's kind of like a sandbox. In other words, you go in there and you add things to it until you like the results. What we have here is a football affiliation with the Indianapolis Colts, where it is scheduled, but the automation that actually plays the game is not one that we normally get information from. So we're going to manually reach out and grab the information and work the reconcile until we agree with the findings. So we begin here by choosing the station and the function of edit or reconcile, and we go back to the date that the game happened on, which was last Sunday. You can see that we have summarized what we're doing here for the channel, and now we have asked for the information to be pulled up, and it will be pulled up in a viewing screen. Now in this case, this reconciliation has come up completely empty. There was nothing to be found for this game. So we go to this add reconcile data file, and we wander around to the proper station. We're going to have to know what station we're going to get it from. In this case, it's going to come from an AM. That's where the station was in. And we go and get the actual ASRON that we want to apply to this. This area takes in your preferences for what to pull in from that reconciliation. You can see we can define time blocks, numeric ranges, cart mass to accept, cart mass to reject, and whether we're accepting the times or we're blocking them out. Let's create a new one. We're going to say 1 p.m., which is 13, to the end of the day, which is 23:59. And you hit make change, and you see it becomes part of that. You can line up as many of those as you need. Do we just want to clear the unaired events? Yes, that's all we want to do. We don't want to create any new events or inserted events. But we do want to sports reconcile because the game aired later than what it was scheduled. So we accept that, we perform the reconciliation, and we get an indication as to the results of the reconcile we just performed. You can see on screen that we have 270 moved events and 14 dropped events. Now we're at the point of viewing our new results. We can see that everything is moved because this entire sports event got moved back an hour and a half. We just want to see the missed, so we click on just missed, and we can see that they're all the same cart number and a bunch of promos. So we're good with that. These events with the yellow background are simply saying that the as aired title has no resemblance to how it was scheduled, which is kind of expected in a sports situation like that, so it's not a problem. After that, you may want to browse through the findings of the reconciliation, which is just a matter of arrowing down or using the roller on your mouse. If you'd like to drill down on a special event, make note of the cart number, go to the search field, type in that cart number, and it will narrow it down as you type to the 29027s, showing you the results for those events for the day. Clearing the search brings you back, and the last step is to save the data because we agree with it. So it gives you an on-screen confirmation that it saved it, and now you can quit this area. You go back out to the main menu. If you'd like to send the emails again showing the new results, which will also be written back to traffic, you can go to the main menu of it and click off the date, the station, and that function, and the emails will be resent showing the new results. Well, this was just meant to be an overview, so if you'd like more specific training, do not hesitate to reach out, and I will have a one-on-one session with you and show you all the ins and outs and maybe pick up a few new features that you might need along the way. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.